Hey, what's up, my people? You're welcome to my channel, JojoConnect. On this channel, I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. We're excited to make this video today, and that's because we just got our channel monetized, JojoConnect. We're monetized. And then I want to make this video to give you various tips on how to get your channel monetized in less than 48 hours. If this is of any interest to you, then you want to sit back and watch this video. I'll be right back. So you're welcome back to my channel, JojoConnect. Now this is it. If this is your first time joining us on this channel, you want to do me a favor and click the subscribe button. You also want to click the notification bell so that you will get to know when I drop a new video. Now, I've had a lot of people sending me messages to explain how I got my channel monetized in less than 48 hours. But I'm going to give you a little background on how the channel actually started out. I created a channel a long time ago, but I just didn't really know how to go about earning from YouTube, so I kind of abandoned the channel. So in the last 5 months, I decided that, let me do a few research and findings and know how to really earn something from YouTube. So I decided to take it seriously. In the last 5 months, I started making videos. I started posting videos on a regular basis, and then I made a research and then also realized that many people keep complaining of the fact that when you cross the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the next challenge is the fact that it takes a longer time for your channel to be reviewed and be monetized. So I kept thinking to myself, what could be the reason why YouTube take a longer time to review a channel? So I decided to do my own findings and research, and I came up with a few tips that I'm going to discuss with you today. And these tips actually helped me get my channel monetized in less than 48 hours. Now, the first one I have for you is the fact that always make sure that you are not using any copyrighted material on your videos. Now, the thing is this: many people make use of Creative Commons videos. They go on YouTube, go to the Creative Commons section, and then they just download a video from there, and then they just put that video on their channel. Now, the thing is this: it's not like you can't use Creative Commons videos, but the problem is you don't really know if those videos were actually created originally by the original creator for Creative Commons purposes. So if that is not the case, that may end up affecting your channel. As a matter of fact, it may end up delaying the review process of your channel, and that is the first point I have for you. Now, the second one is also avoid using copyrighted images for your thumbnails. Yeah, don't just go on Google and just copy any image you see and then you just use it on your thumbnail. That can actually go a long way to delay your channel from being monetized. You can go to Pixel, P-E-X-E-L-S, and then get free images that you can use for your thumbnails. This is another point that you need to take note of if you must get your channel monetized in a short period of time. Now, the next point I have for you is do not post spam messages on people's comment sections. Now, a lot of people are fond of this. You want to grow your channel, maybe because you're a small YouTuber just like myself. Now, the point is, you don't go to people's comment section and start spamming them. I mean, you don't just go there and start asking for sub on people's comment section. Now, what happens is that when you get to this stage of monetization, the YouTube team will make sure they review your channel properly and be sure that your channel has not been involved in spam messages. If they realize that you've been involved in spam messages, this may delay your monetization process, or better still, it might even get your channel terminated. So be careful of posting spam messages on people's comment sections. All right, the next one is avoid posting videos that may affect a product or a company negatively. Now, this is what I mean. You don't post, I'm not saying you cannot do a review of products, but be sure that your review is balancing the benefits and the negative aspect of the product. If you continue making videos that actually post a negative insight, or that actually shows too much negative insight into a product or a company, this may also go a long way to delay your monetization process. And even if your channel gets monetized, that video may not be able to fetch you so much adverts to earn you enough money. This is what I'm trying to say. That particular video will be restricted. I mean, it will have limitation as regards the number of ads that can actually appear on such video. So you don't want to keep making videos that undermines people's product or undermines a company's reputation. Now, the next one I want to give to you is make sure your live videos do not have any copyrighted images or songs in the background. Most oftentimes people make live videos, but then they forget the fact that there are some images behind them that are actually, they don't even know that these images are copyrighted, and this may actually have an impact on the time frame for your channel to be monetized. Now, the next point that I have for you is to avoid using indecent language in your channel. Do not use improper language in your videos, like using the F word. You don't have to use anything that can be vulgar or anything that is indecent. The reason is that advertisers will not be interested in placing ads on such videos, and as such, YouTube review team will find it difficult to determine if they want to accept you into the YouTube partner program or not. So the best bet for you is to be as decent as you can. So the final point that I have for you is to what? Is to avoid showing children too often on your channel. A lot of people don't know this, but when you keep showing children underage in your video, YouTube may have some issues with the monetization of your channel. So you just want to limit the number of times children are shown on your video. This will actually go a long way to speed up your monetization process. I can assure you, if you pay attention to all these tips as you grow your channel, once you get to the monetization level, you will be monetized in less than 48 hours. This is what I did, and I hope it works for you. Remember, my channel is now monetized. Please and please do not skip the ads. Just watch them. Help a brother, just watch those ads, and then I hope that these tips work for your channel as well. And thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting JojoConnect. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.